there's some ingredients you cannot use with your niacinamide. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So my name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about everything skincare, natural hair care, beauty tips and wellness. So if it sounds like topics you want to keep on hearing, please definitely hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And to my OGs that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So yeah, it's been a while I pull up my camera to record a video. Like, you guys may not know, because I keep posting videos, and that's actually because I batch create. So because I batch create, I'm able to put out content even without filming. So I think I've not filmed for like 2 to 3 weeks now. Yeah, I was just not motivated. Like, let's just say I was burnt out. Like, yeah, that was what I was basically going through then. Like, I was just burnt out. I was not motivated. I was tired of recording. I was tired of facing the camera. All right, so I just needed to push myself, to motivate myself, and that was why I decided to get this microphone right here. So I decided to get this microphone to see if it's going to motivate me to want to come up here, pull up my camera and actually record videos, because yeah, I have goals for my channel. Yeah, every YouTuber has goals for their channel, so I needed something to motivate me, and I think this got the job done, because since I ordered this, since I got the package, I was just so eager to try out this microphone, and here I am today filming this video. So enough of the talking, enough of me showing off my microphone. Let's get straight into today's video. But yeah, I hope my audio quality improves with this microphone right here. So in today's video, I basically want to talk to you guys about niacinamide. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys why you need niacinamide in your skincare routine, like why you need niacinamide in your life, literally. So yeah, so I'm going to be telling you some of the benefits, some of the important reasons why you need to add niacinamide into your skincare routine. I'm also going to be reviewing some of the best niacinamide products, or should I say serums, that I've tried, because yes, this video will actually be focused on serums and not other products. All right, but yeah, niacinamide can be used for both face and body in any form. It can be your moisturizer and the likes, but I decided to just limit this video to serums. All right, so I'm also going to be sharing with you some very good niacinamide serum, and also how to use this niacinamide serum, because yes, niacinamide can be a bit complex to use, because there are actually some products that doesn't go with niacinamide. Like, there's some ingredients you cannot use with your niacinamide. So I'm just going to be explaining everything to you guys in this video. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please definitely like this video, and let's get straight into the video. So niacinamide is actually an amazing ingredient that can be used on both face and body, like I said earlier, and it can be in your face moisturizer, your body moisturizer, body lotions. It can also be in your facial serum, so anyhow you want it. Now, niacinamide has so many benefits. Like, you can never go wrong with niacinamide. It has so many, like, numerous benefits for the skin, and I'm just going to try to like list some of those benefits so that you can be convinced that yes, you need to include niacinamide serum in your skincare routine. So the number one thing that niacinamide do is that niacinamide helps to minimize enlarged pores. So if you are the type that have large pores, like you just notice that you can see through your pores, then you need to include niacinamide in your skincare routine. Like, niacinamide basically just helps to minimize enlarged pores. It minimizes, or let me say shrinks, your large pores and makes them less visible, and it also helps with rough and textured skin. Yes, if you have a rough and textured skin, like, niacinamide will help reduce or improve the appearance of rough and textured skin. Niacinamide is also very good for moisture, like hydration. Like, it basically helps to restore your skin's defense towards moisture loss and dehydration. So once you're using niacinamide will help to lock in moisture on your skin as well. So if you have dry skin, or your skin easily loses moisture or hydration, then you definitely want to add niacinamide in your skincare routine. Now, I'm not saying that it is niacinamide that helps to moisturize the skin. What I'm just trying to say is that niacinamide helps to lock in moisture into your skin. All right, so for example, if you're using a moisturizer, very moisturizing and hydrating facial cream, then this niacinamide, if you now introduce niacinamide serum into your skincare routine, into your facial care routine, that niacinamide will help to lock in the moisture in that moisturizing facial cream. Like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. And also, you can even try to look for a moisturizing facial cream that contains niacinamide. That way you know that you're not getting two facial products for your face. That is if you cannot afford them, right? So you just make sure your facial cream contains niacinamide, but also make sure that that facial cream provides moisturizing properties. All right, so once your facial cream contains moisturizing properties and it also contains niacinamide, so that niacinamide will help to prevent moisture loss. So once the face cream is moisturizing your face, the niacinamide will prevent those moisture from going out of your skin. So it's going to basically lock in moisture on your skin. I feel like I'm digressing too much. So another thing niacinamide does is that niacinamide helps with discoloration. It helps to even out your skin tone. So if you are dealing with hyperpigmentation or discoloration on your skin, please, you want to make sure you're using niacinamide. Niacinamide will help fade out your discoloration and even out your skin tone. So another thing niacinamide does is that niacinamide brightens the skin. Like, I've never used niacinamide serum and went dark, like, no. So I want you to be rest assured that if you add this niacinamide serum into your skincare routine, you're not going to go dark at all, because it's going to brighten up your skin. All right, and in fact, some of this niacinamide serum I'm going to be reviewing with you guys later on in this video actually contains other brightening ingredients that would never make you go dark. But then I must say that if you have discoloration or hyperpigmentation you want to fade out, and you plan on using niacinamide serum to get rid of this discoloration, it's best to use this niacinamide serum alongside some other discoloration reducing ingredients like vitamin C, licorice, and retinol. So this is how you're going to get the best benefit out of this niacinamide serum for your discoloration. So you need to use it alongside this other ingredient I mentioned. So later on, I'm reviewing some of this best niacinamide serum. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Now, you are wondering how long niacinamide takes to start working. So niacinamide starts working within 4 to 8 weeks. All right, so don't just use this niacinamide serum for like a week or two and see you're not seeing results. All right, now enough of this talking, because I know you guys are here to just listen to the best niacinamide serum you can use on your skin and not all these benefits. But yeah, all these benefits too is very useful, because if you don't know what this niacinamide serum does, you just be wasting your money. Because what if you think that niacinamide serum will actually help exfoliate your skin, or that niacinamide serum will get rid of your pimples? And it won't. That is how you start complaining that it's not working for you, it's not working for you. So that is why I decided to just give you some of this benefits for you to know, so that you know what to expect when you get your niacinamide serum. All right, now let's get into some of the best niacinamide serums that I've tried and that helps with discoloration, hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores, textured skins, and the likes. So the first niacinamide serum on my list is the Tiam vitamin B3 source niacinamide serum. I know you guys must have been seeing this serum a lot on Instagram and TikTok. Like, it is very common, and that is because this serum actually works. Like, it's the best niacinamide serum right now. Like, this is the one, this is the number one niacinamide serum everybody is buying, and this is because this serum actually works wonders on the skin. So this serum actually contains 10% niacinamide. Yes, that's a lot, like 10% niacinamide. But not just niacinamide, it also contains arbutin, like alpha arbutin. Yes, it contains 2% alpha arbutin. So you're rest assured that this serum is never going to darken you, because alpha arbutin is a very good brightening ingredient. So when combined with niacinamide, you're rest assured that this serum is not going to make you go dark, rather it's actually going to brighten up your skin and also get rid of uneven skin tone. In fact, this serum also claims to get rid of dark spots, because yes, dark spots is also a form of discoloration or hyperpigmentation. So yes, if you have dark spot as well, this serum will actually go a long way in helping you fade out your dark spots. Now, this serum is very perfect for people with oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, and dry skin. So if your skin type falls around this range, this skin type range, then definitely want to try out this serum. Like, it's going to work perfectly on these skin types. Another reason why this serum is very perfect for sensitive skin is because it is fragrance free, and we all know that sensitive skin, they need products that are free of fragrance. free of scent, all right, and that is why this serum is very good for you. It is fragrance free. It's not going to irritate your skin or give you any form of allergy reaction, and it is also alcohol free, so it's not going to dry out your skin, and that is why this will also be very good for people with dry skin. It's not going to dry out your skin. If you have dry skin, please stay away from alcohol products, like stay away from products that contains alcohol. So this serum does not contain alcohol, and that is why it is perfect for dry skin. Now, apart from this serum fading out your discoloration, hyperpigmentation, this serum will also help control excess production of sebum. You know that our acne is mostly caused by overproduction of sebum, but this serum will help to control the production of sebum. So people with acne prone skin can also use this serum because it's going to help you manage your acne. It's going to manage the way sebum is being produced on your face. This serum will also help smoothing out your skin, smoothing out fine lines, wrinkles on your face, and also help reduce large pores. Yes, it's going to minimize your large pores and also reduce the appearance of textured skin. So if you have textured skin, you have fine lines on your face, you have large pores, this serum will be very great for you, because this serum is going to help you get rid or at least minimize the appearance of all the skin issues I just mentioned. So it can also be used during the day or at night, but you want to make sure that you do a patch test before you use this serum. Like before you try any skincare product at all, if it's a new skincare product that you've not used before, it's best to do a patch test before trying it out on your face. All right, so you already know how to do a patch test, so I don't need to like explain again. All right, now the second serum, the second niacinamide serum that will be reviewing with you guys, this one is from The Ordinary. So it's called the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. Now, one thing I love about this Ordinary Niacinamide Serum is that it is very good for people with acne. You'll be wondering why, how, right? Okay, this serum actually contains 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. Go and do your research about zinc. Zinc is very good for acne prone skin. Like zinc will actually help you reduce or manage your acne. So that is why this serum will be very great for people with acne prone skin. Like the zinc in it will help you manage your acne, and that is why this serum is on my top list. Don't forget that the major ingredient in this serum is the niacinamide, which will help to reduce the appearance of large pores, textured skin, and also helps to smoothen your skin, while the zinc present in it will help reduce or control the production of sebum on your skin, thereby helping you to manage your acne. So this Ordinary Niacinamide Serum is actually a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula that helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes on your skin, which visibly regulates sebum and also minimize the pores. So if you're tired that have large pores, like I said earlier, this serum will also be very great for you. It's going to help minimize the appearance of your large pores. Now this serum will also be very moisturizing and hydrating, because this serum is actually a water-based serum. All right, so this serum is going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin. So this serum will not dry out your skin. Even people with dry skin can use this serum. It's not going to dry out your skin at all. This serum also boasts of brightening up the skin, like it's going to brighten up your skin, smoothing out your skin, and also help to defend or boost your skin's barrier over time. This serum will also help hydrate your skin, make your skin look radiant, luminous, glowy, and beautiful. So definitely try out this Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. It is very great on the skin. Like once you try this serum for the first time, you're going to be hooked. Like you just keep buying this serum. Though I know it's a bit on the high side. I think it's sold for 7k 8k thereabout, but yeah, this serum works. So the third niacinamide serum on my list is actually from Molecules. So it's called the Goodmoleculesniacinamide Serum. I know you must have heard this serum as well, because it is also quite popular. Now this serum is also very great on the skin. It helps to brighten the skin, smoothing out your skin, smoothing out your large pores, your texture skin, rough skin. If you have rough skin, like your skin is always rough, your face is always rough, please try out this serum. It's going to help smoothing your skin, like literally smoothing out your skin texture. Yes, that is how great niacinamide serum is. In fact, once you get this molecule niacinamide serum and you reach through the bottle, like you're going to see that it's written there that it's a texture and pores refining serum. It's going to refine your pores, minimize the appearance of your large pores. Your texture skin is going to smoothen out your texture skin as well. So that is why it is called a texture and pores refining serum. Like, you're never going to go wrong with this molecules niacinamide serum. This serum is actually a lightweight serum that easily absorbs into your skin to smoothen out your skin texture, smoothing out your large pores, and it also helps to brighten up the skin. Like, you're never going to go dark while using this serum because it's going to help brighten up your skin. Now, these are some of the skin issues this niacinamide serum actually gets rid of. It takes care of breakouts, uneven skin tone, textured skin, enlarged pores, and it is also very suitable for all skin type. Like, I said earlier that it's an hydrating serum, it's a water-based serum, so it's good for dry skin. It's not going to dry out your skin, and the fact that it's also very moisturizing is for all skin type. So it is very good for all skin type, most especially oily skin and combination skin. Guys, if you have oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin, this serum is good for you. Like, it's the best. So it will still work for all skin type, and as usual, you want to make sure you do a patch test before you use any of these serums. Please make sure you do a patch test. Don't go and start using this serum directly on your face for the first time. Like, you've never used niacinamide serum before and you just start applying on your face like that. No sis, it doesn't work that way. So make sure you do a patch test before you start using on your face. Now, coming to how to use this serum, I said earlier that niacinamide serum can be a bit complex. You cannot use it with just anyhow products. You cannot use niacinamide with just anyhow ingredients. All right, so now I would advise you use niacinamide serum day and night, like morning and evening, for you to get effective results. Use it twice a day. But please note that if you're using a product that contains ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, then this is how you want to use it. Use your niacinamide in the morning while you use your ascorbic acid in the evening. Yes, please. This is because niacinamide and vitamin C do not work together. Like, you cannot use a product that contains niacinamide and vitamin C on your face at the same time. You're going to burn your skin, sis. Like, you're going to burn your skin. So if you're using a vitamin C serum and you want to also include this niacinamide serum in your skincare routine, please use your niacinamide in the morning, then you use your vitamin C at night. Always going to be balanced. Like, your niacinamide will not be reacting to vitamin C and vice versa. All right, so make sure you try out this tip. So make sure you try out any of this serum, and please take note of these tips, take note of all these hacks I shared in this video. They are very important for you to have let me say maximum effect of this niacinamide serum, for you to really enjoy using this niacinamide serum. So take note of all these tips I just mentioned in this video. Please, I'm going to check in the comment section to see if you've tried any of this niacinamide serum, or if there are other niacinamide serum I did not mention, because of course there are so many niacinamide serums. Like, I just didn't want this video to be too long, so there are other niacinamide serums you can use. So if you've tried any other niacinamide serum, please drop them in the comment section so that people can also get to know other niacinamide serums to try. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you end up enjoying this video, please give your girl a huge thumbs up by liking this video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are not new here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel but you keep coming back to watch my videos, like why? Please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.